Selling seminar tickets to clients overseas. Cross-border payments can trigger compliance flags or fraud checks, putting your revenue and merchant account at risk. Here's a simple manual way to keep global seminar payments organized and compliant. Create an international payment policy in Google Docs that lists accepted currencies, refund policies, and payment methods. It is helpful for clarity, but you still have to monitor compliance manually for each transaction. That's where EasyPay Direct comes in. Their fraud protection services and compliance monitoring handle international transactions safely, ensuring seminar payments stay secure worldwide. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description so you can check it out. With built-in fraud alerts and compliance oversight, your seminar payments remain reliable and protected. Don't risk compliance issues or lost revenue when selling tickets abroad. EasyPay Direct keeps your seminar payments secure and smooth, so you can focus on delivering a great event. Use the link in the description to get started today.